Should sales reps experience buying as part of their training? Let's get into it. Imagine you are a sales rep. You've sent countless cold emails, mastered email marketing techniques, but have you ever been on the other side of the deal? Understanding the buyer's perspective is crucial. When you experience the buying process, you get first-hand insight. How does it feel to receive a cold email? What makes an email marketing campaign click? When you are pitched sometimes and you think, oh, this is how I do. This experience can be decisive. It helps you create more empathetic, effective strategies. And guess what? Empathy wins in sales. But here is a thought. While experiencing buying is valuable, it's not only way to learn. There are a lot of resources, like our channel, where you can learn the ins and outs of effective email marketing and cold emailing. And remember, practice makes perfect. Keep training those skills. So what do you think? Should sales rep experience buying? Drop your thoughts in a comment below.